Hey there, welcome to Kalog Travels. Did you know that there's a recent update in immigration procedures that makes it faster and easier to travel in and out of the Philippines? As we head to the land of smiles, we'll be showing you important travel essentials when arriving at Suvarnabhumi Airport. So sit back and enjoy this video we made for everyone that's interested in visiting Bangkok, Thailand. We will be starting at the drop-off area of Naiya Terminal 3 as we head to the check-in counter of Cebu Pacific. You can see that they also have an online check-in option and automatic printing of boarding passes. So all you really need to do is to check in your luggages. In Cebu Pacific, passengers can bring only one piece of checked luggage for the 20 or 32 kilos prepaid baggage option. You can get any two of these weight options for a maximum of 2 pieces of baggage with a combined weight of 64 kilos. As we now head to the passport immigration departure check. Remember this dreaded piece of paper you had to fill out as a kid? Good news, it's no longer needed. All you need is your mobile device and scan this QR code to access etravel.gov.ph. Filipinos and foreign passport holders may register their personal data, travel details, and health declaration if you have no record yet. You can also update your existing records if you have not completed your personal profile. If you have completed your previous e-travel registration, you can also update your record by clicking the link below. Just remember your QR code reference number, date of birth, travel type, and transportation type. After completing the registration process, you will probably get either one of these e-travel QR codes. Green is for express, while red is for manual checking of your documents. You may register 3 days in advance before your arrival or departure in the Philippines. Overall, etravel.ph is one step towards a future of seamless and hassle-free travel for both Filipinos and visitors in and out of the Philippines. Before you head to your boarding gates, make sure to drop by these water filling stations as staying hydrated is important for any good adventure. These are found beside the CRs by the walkolators. Here's a tip: when the boarding gates open, you can let others go first. Everyone will get to their seats eventually, so you can just relax and wait until the line disappears and you pass through the boarding gates all calm and collected. As we entered the plane, it was already 1 a.m. So we watched the famous Cebu Pacific safety protocols.
Hello everyone, this is Aiko and together my team, Tina, Bakia, Sam and Jamie. Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific and first moments having with you. We are now ready to depart for Bangkok, Thailand.
We're finally here at Suvarnabhumi Airport, one of the biggest international airports in Southeast Asia. Covering an area of 3,240 hectares, it is one of the busiest and most traveler-friendly airports. Located about 25 kilometers east of downtown Bangkok, it is incredibly convenient for tourists to travel through and from the airport to the city. As you make your way through the airport, you better watch out for robot cleaners that may attack you and chase you. The Suvarnabhumi Airport has 3 arrival immigration check areas for people arriving in Thailand internationally, as seen on the map. The toilets are found beside Baggage Bay 9. But before we start exploring the city, let's not forget one essential thing: staying connected. Getting a SIM card is easy at the Suvarnabhumi Airport. Simply head to the arrival hall, and you'll find kiosks of all the 3 major carriers that dominate the Thai market. First is TrueMove. It offers a wide range of data packages. We actually chose the 299 baht package because we were staying there for around 8 days. The second one is AIS. We chose AIS since it is known to have an excellent signal coverage throughout Thailand, making sure that wherever we go, one of us has mobile data and signal. Third is DTAC, which is known to have excellent customer service. These stores are open 24 hours, but only accept cash. After activating our SIM cards, we headed out via Exit C.
Hindi naman kami na off-board, hindi naman kami pinabalik sa Pilipinas.
Hindi rin nawala yung baga.
On normal business hours, travelers have many options getting from the airport to downtown Bangkok via train, bus, taxis, or private cars. But since we arrived at around 5 a.m., the only options we had were metered taxi or limousines, or using ride-sharing apps like Grab, Bolt, InDrive, or Navigo. We chose Grab Thailand to book our first ride to our hotel, and it definitely is much cheaper than the rate we get from Grab Philippines. There you have it, we're finally in Thailand. Thank you for reaching this part of the video and for joining us on our new adventure exploring Bangkok, Thailand. Until next time, see you again!